Internet. Coming to the internet part, internet is a global system of interconnected computer network. The computer which are attached to each other and globally working. So that is known as internet global system that enables the user to share the information, various resources with each other. Coming to next, applications of internet. In applications of internet, you can see where we are using internet facility for what all purpose. Well, first purpose is of education. In the education system, we are using internet and it is very helpful. Role of internet in education is all about almost all aspects related to their practical learning and even the things through the visual aid. Next is mailing. Yes, email is a easy process to send and receive the information or any kind of media file. Yes, the size do matters. Size should be not exceeded. After that, if I come to the business department, so there are means priorly this time also the internet is very much useful in business category, where you are dealing with the sales, financing, inventories, and ruling on the market. So that all depends on the internet facility because it does our work in the short duration. Next is your e-commerce. From the commercial side, if we say, of course, this is online shopping and all that, so related to business. But why e-commerce? When you are purchasing online things and all that, so both the way means from the customer side and from the seller side, both the side we are taking as e-commerce, online shopping. Media. Media is totally related to newspaper, internet, television, radio, magazines, where the big newses are flashed through the another corner of the city or country. So this is all media about. और बिल्कुल इसी तरीके से इंटरनेट पे भी ये सारी फैसिलिटी अवेलेबल होती है. आप चाहें तो न्यूज़पेपर भी ऑनलाइन देख सकते हैं, टेलीविजन भी ऑनलाइन देख सकते हैं, रेडियो सिस्टम एंड मैगजीन्स आर आल्सो अवेलेबल ऑनलाइन. Coming to the next, how people are connected. People are connected with the social connection, and that social connection is known as social networking. Here, social networking relates a person to the another person, and it's a big criteria. It's a big group where you are conversing with each other. Sometimes certain strangers are also become good friends due to just this social networking. Forms. What is form now? Message board. New groups, communities, groups means basically a collection of people where they are sitting together for a purposely or for a single purpose. So that is known as your internet farms. And how means these things are not going manually, these things are going on online procedure. So communities are there, new groups are there for each and every kind of field. Internet farms. Well, internet farm is also known as the facility in which you can divide the school group, media group, kind of this thing. This is also derived like that. Next, technology use. The top three technologies to support any kind of health issue, so those are health trackers, sleep trackers, and food trackers. So the to handle certain situation, because these are the typical situations. So candidate must like to use the tracker if they are tracking themselves, so they can check at what time they are feeling low and your things are going low. Disadvantages of internet. Disadvantages of internet, of course, when there is an advantage of internet, there is disadvantage also. Like if we are using internet, so there are chances of that virus can insert in your computer, because we are downloading, we are copying, sometimes we are doing for editing purpose, we need to download and do the editing one. नेक्स्ट इज स्पैमिंग. ऑफ कोर्स आप कितने भी पोस्ट डालते रहे और हर बार आप डालते रहेंगे तो कभी ना कभी तो क्लिक होगा. So that is all about how spamming is working. Now next is hackers. Of course this is some kind of crime and created for illegal activity. Okay, so these all kind of things are disadvantage to the internet. Hackers, of course these are also similar to the hacker. Now time wastage. टाइम वेस्टेज तब होता है जब आप अपने काम छोड़ के बस एक ही चीज में अगर कुछ हो गया तो उसके बारे में सोचते हैं. नो बेटा, यू शुड डू योर टास्क ऑन टाइम. यू शुड गेट बिजी एंड फोकस्ड, because this time is not going to return for the another chance. Triple W. What does Triple W stands for? Students, your call.
Ma'am, World Wide Web.
World Wide Web. Well, World Wide Web. What is World Wide Web? Word means the whole world. Okay, all, full. Your full globe is going to be counted in that word. Then wide. Of course, this is going to be long lasting. Then web. Web is all regarding your websites, web-based things, internet facility, and these all. So these three are if we talk regarding the triple W only, World Wide Web. So it's a simply web, which means access of information. जो access करता है information. Okay, and each page contains of graphics also, video, text, etc. आपके ये भी चीजें होनी चाहिए आपके प्रोफाइल. नेक्स्ट आता है वेब ब्राउजर. वेब ब्राउजर क्या होता है? वेब ब्राउजर इज अ काइंड ऑफ विंडो, a software window which is used to open the websites or access internet. This is the use of web browser. It is an internet entrance phase a user and the World Wide Web. A web browser can have a graphical user interface. Web browser होते क्या है? इनकी graphical user interface है. आज आप अगर क्लिक करना चाहें इसमें कुछ एग्जाम्पल्स देखते हैं. Google Chrome. And Google Chrome is one of the example. Firefox is one of the example. It is used in a better manner instead of Chrome for the government purpose. Opera is also a part of this girl only. This Firefox. वैसे ही बिल्कुल आपका Opera भी है. Then next is introducing the new Microsoft Edge. This is the upgraded version of your Explorer. I hope it's clear, students.
Yes, ma'am.
Students, coming to the website. Now, what is website? Can anybody tell me what is website?
A collection of web pages.
Yes, A website is a collection of related, एक दूसरे से related होते हैं, related web pages that contains your graphics, your images, your videos. So that is known as your website. Now, the digital media files should be there. These pages are written in hypertext markup language, that is HTML. Okay. For example, like http www. This is one kind of example of your website name, and where your HTTP, it's only the use of this is rules, following the rules. Then next is www is for accessing the website from the server. Then of course domain name is the thing which is being called, then all things open. Now .com is the extension and creates a commercial site. वेब होस्टिंग क्या है? वेब होस्टिंग वो है जब आपका मेन बीच में एक सर्वर है और आपके काफ़ी सारे पार्ट्स उसमें कनेक्टेड हैं, and you are providing each one every kind of information which they need, and they are providing you a particular idea for that. Next is where your site is going to deal with, like websites hai, to each web page is going to identify the via unique web addresses. Okay, so this is how your URL means HTTP. This full is known as the URL. Domain name is only the magic workshop. CMS, content management system. When the things are not and the appropriate portions, so this CMS is going to be create a content which manages the system. Then website, system HTML, optimizing and content management is there. So they are managing themselves and even to the others. But in computers, each thing is depend on each other. So need to be very clear. Now, in this particular video, what is this? Download new Microsoft. What we call that part? A particular part name.
Microsoft Edge.
No, it is your page title. एरो भी तो देखो आप किस तरफ शो कर रहा है, किस तरफ इंडिकेट कर रहा है, वेब टाइटल पे है ना. नेक्स्ट, another thing, this, what is this? This is header area. अगर ये हेडर एरिया है, क्योंकि ये ऊपर का एरिया है, तो नीचे आपका फूटर एरिया भी होगा. Yes, there is footer area. Now, next is web page. Web page are of two types. One is static and another one is dynamic. Now, static I know that he changed. And dynamic is keep on changing according to the time, according to the situation. Now, dynamic and static web pages are related to the difference of this. Difference बहुत बड़ी बात है इसमें. आप कितना पॉजिटिव होते हैं, कितना नेगेटिव होते हैं इस चीज़ के लिए. Let's see. Difference आएगा, इसके बीच में पॉइंट्स आएंगे आपके, लाइक आपके रूल रेगुलेशन. देन योर hypertext transfer protocol which never allow them to do anything extra. Then home page वो होता है जो आपकी वेबसाइट का फर्स्ट पेज होता है, that is home page. URL आपका as you seen in the previous slide, I have already explained. But here I am going to tell you the part wise. HTTP. stands for protocol. www.magic.in. So this is also known as resource name. So here in this chapter, beta, this is it. Two parts are there: protocol identifier and resource. So protocol identifier, it tells itself what protocol need to be followed, so that you need to decide. Then another point is resource name, which is going to specify the complete address of the resource on the internet. Thank you, class. This is all about your chapter